Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm glad to be back on your screen in 2022. Happy New Year to every one of you. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you for the New Year wishes. I appreciate you all. If you're new to this channel, you are most definitely welcome. Do well to subscribe to join the family. Also, thumbs up this video, and to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming back to watch yet another video from me. In today's video, I'll be sharing a skincare remedy, a facial mask that you ought to try, that will elevate your skincare game, that will elevate the appearance of your face or on your body, anywhere you choose to apply this mask. And I'll be making this mask with none other than our turmeric powder. Hope you stick around. Make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up. Like I said, this mask is inexpensive. It's something you must try out. Okay, yeah, please keep on watching. Give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Comment, share, and I will see you guys